we're gonna see exercise called cat spins in the square. So let's click this button. Okay, so let's move forward with step-by-step process. First step is to first take any sprite you can, and then first thing we're going to do is when you click this flag, it's called event, something should happen, right? This flag. So let's drag this. Then you want to repeat 4 times, right? 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? So we need to include a repeat block, change this value to 4, right? Because you're going to repeat 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now in each repeat you are moving this cat from here to here, here to here, here to here, here to here, right? So some kind of a steps, right? So we need to move certain steps, so let's make it 100, and then when you move first time, the cat will come from here to here. Then you have to you're gonna rotate this, right? Because you're gonna rotate and then you move, right? So first step is to move, rotate, then move, rotate, move, rotate, move, rotate, right? So let's find the rotation block. Rotation is turn, right? So we have to turn 90 degree, right? Because let's look at that first. Let's test this out first. So we're gonna taste this small chunk of this code. Right, it's very fast, right? So it basically is moving very fast. It's basically moving 100 here, turning it, then again move, is coming here, turning, move here, turning, move here, turning, and then come back. It's very fast, you cannot see. So to slow down, what we need to do is some kind of a weight, right? We need to put some kind of a weight so you can see better. So we can say wait for a second. I think second is really good. Let's do that now, right? So now let's move to 200 so you can see better. So he's gonna move 200 steps, wait 1 second, then he's gonna turn, move here, and then it's gonna finish the whole entire square. Let's try. So it's moving here, now it's turning, moving, turning, moving, turning, right? So in the square manner. Let's try one more time, right? Now you can add extra thing here also, like just to play around that. You can put a sound around here. Every time it moves, play some sound. Move here, play some sound. Play here, put some different sound, right? So yeah, so this is the end of the exercise 1. Spin the cat in a square manner. And see you guys. Thank you for watching.